Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving Cambridge A-Level Information Technology Paper 4 Advanced Practical for October-November 2022. I'll be solving task 4, which is the web programming task. All other tasks are solved and uploaded. You can find the link in the description. Open mouse over task.html in a text editor. Open mouse over task.html in a browser. So this is the HTML file. You are required to add JavaScript code to the mouseover task.html file to display the text provided in the mouseover text.rtf file when the mouse cursor hovers over the instruction. So when you keep the mouse over this text, the details about science should be shown. Same way the details about computer science must be shown here and engineering must be shown here. So you can see a text file is there which shows so if there is no mouse over, this text must be displayed, and if there is mouse over at the place of science, this text must be displayed. So let's open the HTML file in the editor. So you can see that for each subject, this is science, the on mouse over event is shown here. On mouse over, a function called science1 is shown here, and another function called science2 for on mouse out. Same way for each subject it's shown, and the ID for science is given here as science. So we need to define the functions which will show the text on mouse over. So I will add script here. So for the subject science, first function we define here. Function, let me copy this name. So on mouse over, we have to display the text which is shown here. This text must be displayed. So let's copy this. I'll use the document.getElementById property. The ID is science dot inner HTML equal to, in double inverted comma, I'll just paste the text. So let's check whether it's working. Refresh the page. So you can see when you keep the mouse over the text, it shows the details about subject science. Now we need to add the code for mouse out. When you keep the mouse out of the text, which text should be displayed. So we need to display this text. So let's define the function for that. The function name is science2 for on mouse out. I'll use the same statement here, document.getElementById equal to, we need to show this text. So now let's check, refresh the page. On mouse over, the text is there, and on mouse out, this text is shown. So it is working for science. Same thing we need to do for computer science and engineering. So I'll just copy this. And we just need to change the function names and the text. The name is COMPSCI1 and the text for mouse over of computer science has to be copied from here. This is the text. For computer science, let's paste this text. We also need to change the ID. The ID is computer science. There is no space between the name and the mouse over event is not there. This text has to be displayed. Refresh the page and let's check. So here also it's working. Now same way for engineering. The name of the function is for this eng2. Now let's change the ID name. ID name is engineering. Same here. Now we need to change the text. Copy the text for engineering. Paste it here. Now the text for engineering when there is no mouse over event. So we have defined 6 functions, 2 functions for each faculty. First function will show the text when the mouse is over it. The second one will show the text when mouse is not over it. So there are 6 functions here. Let's save this. Before that, annotate your code with comments to explain each stage of the script. So let's write the code for it. The first function, text to display, mouse is over the science faculty. Over the text science faculty. Close the comment. Now next one, for this function, text to display when there is no mouse over. For the text science faculty, now for computer science, so these are the required functions and the annotation for each function. Save the web page as ttc info followed by your center number and candidate number. So file save as ttc info followed by your candidate number and center number. Now let's open the file and check whether it's working. So for the science, the text is shown. So all are working. So this is the end of the web programming task. Thank you for now.